Some might say Audrain County is in the middle of nowhere, but in reality, we're in the middle of everything. We're in the heart of Missouri, where we've been since 1836, rooted in agricultural traditions and positioned for new opportunities to add to our communities. Our rolling hills are home to a variety of livestock, and our rich soils produce some of the best crops in the state. We are consistently leading producers of soybean and corn, and we're in the top 10 for wheat. Farmers from 60 miles around bring their grain here to our facilities. We're not only fueling the nation with our ethanol and biodiesel plants, we're ready to feed your livestock, and we have healthy, abundant water resources to sustain your operation. Our central location on U.S. Highway 54 and Interstate 70 means being accessible to both rural and urban destinations. Mexico, our county seat and largest community, is only about 2 hours from St. Louis and 2.5 from Kansas City. We are the biofuel capital of Missouri, but for those of us who live and work here, this is home. This is where agriculture meets abundant water, productive land, continuing education opportunities, expanding industry, and good people. It is where working together is the expectation, not the exception. People here make the difference, and we are investing in them. We are always looking to build on our agricultural strengths, and we would love to have you join us. Are you ready to do business in Audrain County?